Welcome to Minecraft. So yeah, as I said in my first video, I'm gonna start a survival series in Minecraft. So yeah, this is it. Hope you just gonna get 2 likes. So yeah, hope you enjoy and let's start this game by loading up the chunks. Load. I think it's loaded. Okay. I don't know. Okay. So let's chop down the tree. I don't know if you can hear me, but let's go. Let's chop down this tree. No way. I thought there was a tree here. Oh well. Sorry I didn't realize I'm eating dynamite candy. It's my favorite. Don't judge me. So let's chop down this tree. I'm eating dynamite candy. It's lagging when I break. The why? What? Sorry for this lag for you. I'm lagging right now. There's Wi-Fi. Okay. Maybe the next video I will be doing. Oh, you know, a map. Yeah, a map. So better check out for the guys. I'm just gonna upload this first. So yeah. Okay, let's start. Why this dynamite so tastes good. Oh yeah. So, so yeah, I choke out. So let's chop down this tree. Maybe 11's good. 11's good. Okay. Stop it. One crafting table. I already decided what house do I want. It's the watchtower. Yes, it's the tower thingy where it lags so much. I'm so pissed off. Okay, let's create a pickaxe. Find some wood. Find some cobble. And let's go. I might need 8. How much is it? Sorry, it lagged. One more. Sorry, I lag, guys. I'm just the drumsticks 6. I think 6 is good. That's good. Now I'm chewing up my dynamite, so I should be good. But yeah, let's create a pickaxe and a sword. Did you craft the sword? No, I didn't craft the sword. Crap. Okay, I lag. Sorry. Hope you okay. Just check if I'm recording. Oh yeah, let's get that coal so I can smell. No, I'm on the. I think there's many coal. I don't know what I'm saying. Maybe iron. There's iron here. So let's get this iron there, and there's supposed to be yes. I'm a master. Okay, there's water here. So and there's coal here. Yep, coal. I saw the coal. So yeah, create some torches. Just get this. Let's get all of this coal. Don't overeat dynamite. My tongue. Yeah, as I'm saying, my tongue. You know what? There's the chocolate in the dynamite, right? Oh, iron. Let me just make some torch. Some sticks and some torches. I have 44. Well, I didn't. I guess that. Nice. Maybe a little bit more than that. But I guessed it. It's 44. I said 40. But my math is wrong. Okay, so let's mine this iron. Let's go to. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, the iron. No, my precious iron. Not my precious iron. Not today, water. Not today. So hard to break the iron. Just block it. I'm gonna block you in this book, water. Let me block you. Eh. Yeah. Okay, so let's. Really? Come on. Mm. Mm. Okay, I'm out of. Seriously? Okay, there. Let's get this iron. Okay, I've been quiet. Let me just 18. Okay, let's go down. Ouch. That hurt. That hurt. God. Okay. Oh, there's my piece of iron there. I'm pretty sure I need to go up. Back up. This shot. Okay, let's go up. Come on. Help, there's a bully. Come on. Okay, let's just go up. My fingers numbing. I don't know why. Maybe it's cold. Let's just get up here. It's so hard to get up here. Okay, let's go up. Let's go up. Okay, there's nothing to go up. Okay, so let's go here. Oh, parkour. Yes. What's a parkour? It's cold. Maybe I'll get cold or smelting iron. I don't know why I say iron. That's weird. Let's get this cold. Let's get this cold. I don't know if you can hear me. Comment below if down below. Down there. Down there. So yeah. Hope you enjoy these videos. This video for mining. Hope I find diamonds. Where do I go? Oh, there's iron here. 19. Get iron. You know the movie? Yeah, the scary movie one. There's a new movie that even most beautiful than Insidious. It's outside use. Funny one. Where did they go? Maybe here? I don't remember, guys. Oh, there's iron here. Okay, let's get this iron. Let's Bitch. Need to find iron. I'm fighting iron so badly. Even though I got 24. Not enough for. Sorry guys, my Minecraft crashed. Okay, we're back. We're back. Oh, this. Oh, iron. Okay. Oh, being quiet. Sorry guys. I'm being quiet. I hate it when I get mining. If you guys any teeth, yeah, comment down here. I don't know why I said that. Just comment. Okay, I'm going back. I have 31. I got enough. I got enough for a shiny teeth. I don't know why I like shiny teeth because I just like shiny teeth. Don't judge me. Up. Um, I want. I need to tell you something, guys. It is. What do I want? It is coal equals life. Coal. Let's get out. Come on. Out of this curse. Oh no. It's dark. I don't even know if it's. Oh, oh, oh. Hands. Nope. I didn't set it, guys. Sorry. There's gonna be all of the marshals. Good to send them. Don't even think about. I'm lagging. Let's get this. Hey villager. Wanna be my roommate? Okay. Look, I have a friend. Am I crouching? Let's put our. I have 15 coal.